In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files and pictures imported to Canva. Managing your media in Canva is essential to keeping your projects organized, so let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can easily find and delete any files or images that are no longer needed. First, let's start by opening Canva in your web browser and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Projects tab. The Projects tab is the place where all your designs and uploaded content live. You can find it in the main menu on the left side of the Canva homepage. Clicking on it will take you to a page displaying all your active projects. This section is organized to make it easy to find whatever you need. Now think of it as your personal workspace where all creations and resources are at your fingertips. Once you're in the Projects section, the next step is selecting the files you wish to remove. Browse through your projects to locate the specific files or images you want to delete. It might be helpful to take a moment to skim through your collection to remember where everything is stored. Once you identify the files or pictures you want to get rid of, simply click on them. This action will ensure that the selected items are targeted for removal. After you have your files selected, look for the trash icon. This icon represents the delete function in Canva, and it is typically located somewhere on the lower part of your screen, possibly below your selected items. Clicking this icon will initiate the deletion process. It's essentially the digital equivalent of throwing something away in the garbage, so ensure you have picked the right files before proceeding. Canva might also prompt a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to delete these files. This extra step is there for your benefit, to double check and avoid accidental deletions. So give it a quick verification, yes you're going to delete them, then confirm by re-clicking to proceed. And that's it, you have successfully removed unwanted files or images from your Canva projects. Regularly cleaning up your workspace can help reduce clutter, optimize your workflow, and give you the freedom to focus on new, more important design tasks without distractions. Remember, organizing your digital space can be just as crucial as organizing your physical one. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your Canva projects neat and tidy. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out other tutorials or reach out for help. Happy designing!